Na ikereka ria kere niguo tuthie na mbere na kumenyithia mohoro maria tukuhaririirie. Mũmbunge wa Kapseret Oscar Sudi ni ahetwo mukana kumana na miario ya ucogeri iria eriga gukorwo akiaria thiku nini hetuku akiuria wona athie na mbere na gukorwo akimiaria ni gukorwo agitacokerio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
Sudi akoretwo akiheo mukana uyu ni kamiti ya wiguano nio NCIC. Oroi makiria twamukire kuma kuri mwandiki witu wa mohoro ni Hwa-Ini.
Akiaria ri nyumba-ini cia ruhonge rwa kugacirithia thayo hamwe na wiguano, muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru Hassan Mohamed ni ahete mukana mũmbunge wa Kapseret Oscar Sudi kurumirira miario iria rerikana kwaria ya gucungiriria ngui ciumia igiri hituku.
We thought we should reserve our red card for another time and today give a yellow card. So we have given Honorable Sudi a cessation notice, which is a warning. If, as you said, he goes ahead and repeats, then we'll deal with him appropriately.
Kuringana na Hassan augite ati ruhonge ruru ni ruheaga mundu kanyaga gucunga muhera kuri muingi, akiuga kuri mawatho na mitaratara iria marumagirira matanakinyukia makinya ma kuhingurira mundu thitango.
Summons usually is first of all for the person to explain themselves. You know, you might interpret something in a different way and the person might have some kind of interpretation. So we normally give them a chance to come and explain themselves, and he came and explained himself. He looks remorseful, really. Of course, we don't have a meter or a gauge or something to, and we are not, in the hearts of human beings, but we think that as far as we are concerned, we should give him a chance. And if, as he said, he repeats it, then we will deal with him like we deal with all those cases. So that's what we have done as a commission this morning. And we want other Kenyans to know that it's not every time that we resort to prosecuting people. Our law is very clear. There are so many avenues within the law, the National Cohesion Integration Act. There is conciliation, which is there in the law, and it's also in the Constitution, alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. As much as possible, you should be able to exhaust and use those ones.
Kriogwa Hassan augite ati no meguthie na mbere na gukorwo mari maitho ni gugutigirira ni mang'ethanira na atongoria aria mangiaria miario ingicungiriria ngui kana rumena kuri muingi.
As I said, we will continue being alert in the case of Sudi and in other cases. I know last week a lot of people were asking, what has NCIC done? We don't publicize a lot of our work. We had already given the notice for the person to appear, but people did not know. So I even saw somebody who had written an article.
Ngiribotera mohoro ma Gikuyu TV nie njitagwo Hwa-Ini.
Thengio muno makiria mwandiki witu wa mohoro wa Hwa-Ini ni undu wa riboti. Tugithii na mbere ati andu eri ni makuite na ngi 10 magatigwo na nguraro cia mwaki uria uratuthukire mwena wa Korogoco guku mucii munene wa Nairobi Hwa-Ini.
Gutiri kuramenyeka kihumo kia mwaki uyu kuri ari maabitha a borithi marathie na mbere guthuthuria kihumo kiaguo kuona ati ni uratigire makiria ma nyumba 20 ihite.
Tunaomba tusaidiwe na usaidizi yote kama usaidizi wa malazi, chakula, nyumba tuweze kujijengea. Tunaomba kama tunaweza kutengenezewa pia nyumba tuweze kutengenezewa.
Tunaomba zimamoto ziwe karibu na sisi, vijiji zote, hasa vijiji ni eneo za mkasa kila wakati.
Mũndũrũme ũmwe wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 39 kuma itũra rĩa Kĩambaragatanga thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Murang'a nĩ oragĩtwo thutha wa kũhũrwo mbara kiuduthwo nĩ arata ake arĩa maramũhete 4,000 cia gũtua makorobia marĩ na mũratawe ũngĩ no matinakorwo makimatua ona thengia ya gukorwo mahetwo mbeca icio.
Undu uyu ni utigite muingi wa mwena ucio uri na matukuya kuria uthiete ugatharikira umwe wa mwikuirwo wa aria marakorwo makikwirwo ati ni marakorwo magitabania ngero ino gucina nyumba yake na oho gutemenga ng'ombe yake. O hindio family yake ni uritie maofitha a borithi matigirire ati ni makorwo makihe mwana wao kihoto.
Ria uragitwo ali brother yakwa twerirwo ni oragwo ni anake eri. Kiria ingenda kumenya ni mwanake brother yakwa oragirwo ni undu wa 4,000 niki na gutire mundu okire gutwira turute 4,000 tukiremwo na manyitwo matwaro kihumbu-ini post marekereirio niki na kwari na uira muiganu ati onio moraga brother yakwa no manyitwo makirekererio.
na guku turi ni kwa sani ya my brother mwanake etagwo Joffrey Kariuki kana kiroko niguo ahurirwo thimu nderwo nyumba yake ni yacinwo tuku ng'ombe ciake ni ciatemengwo na to ndikaraga guku ri no ikinya njoire ria gugiuka kumenya uria gukihana kana kuringana uria njiguite ni ndahurirwo thimu no mundu ngirwo ni mari na controversy ya mwanake ungi wa area iguru rigi uguraniri wa makorobia riu uria wanjirire we na mwanake mari eri ni moraga muithiki mwanake ucio.
Riu ni imwe kwa imwe nginagia thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu na ni ati kimwana kimwe kiria ni muruto wa form 2 kuma gicagi gia Kiharagaci mwena wa Kiambu ni kirutite muoyo ni undu wa kuremwo kuriha thiri wa muithikiri wa muratawe uria urakorirwo ukiura uri moko-ini make.
One thutha wa ihinda riria arahetwo ria gukorwo akiriha mbeca ici gukorwo rigithira. Riu mwiri wake wigitwo moshari-ini ya Gacie.
Wengine sasa walikuja sasa sijui vile waligombana hivi wakafurutana. Baada ya hivyo sasa hao vijana kuenda sasa Brian sasa baada ya dakika chache ndivyo alipatikana kwa hiyo kanyumba kama amejihanga.
Tugethie thiini wa kaunti ya Kajiado ni ati arume atatu marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Kajiado thutha wa gutharikirwo ni ngari makirithia gicagi-ini kia Enkolika Kajiado ya gatagati.
Kuringana na urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ni ati andu aya ni marakoretwo matihangetio muno moko undu umwe na mutwe kuria riu marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigiti.
So they were received, taken to theater for surgical toileting, and then admitted in our ward, male ward, where they are currently receiving treatment.
Mimi ndio nilikuwa kwanza kuwa attacked na chui. Alikuwa ameshika mbuzi kukimbilia kuokoa ile mbuzi, akanikimbilia akanishika kwenye kichwa na kunirarua. Baadaye akanishika tena kwa mkono akanirarua. Hapo ndio nilianza kupambana naye, wenzangu akasikia mapambano wakakuja.
Siku hizi watu wa eneo hilo hawatembei hata usiku hata mchana. Kwa wakati huu ambayo wanafunzi wamefunga shule, tunahofia kuwa itakuwa hatari kubwa sana.
Na ribotio kuma kaunti-ini ya Kajiado no gutwekanyaga kwamba gwikirio rohanini mwena uria ungi wa studio ndirakiona nyarari yoikane ta WANJIRU wa gatana akihariririe niguo akorwo agitumenyithia uria kurathie na mbere kuria wonjuri-ini.
Naguo thutha ucio Ken Maina ni gukorwo agitumenyithia ciigi mathako ndukai guthie haraya.